Today I will be showing you how to use the word cloud add-on in Google Docs. So first what we do is we'll go to add-ons and then word cloud generator, and you can either click classic or modern and go with modern. And then it gives you options right here of just like the words that it picked out, and depending on how many words there are in the document of the same type of word, then the bigger the word is in the word cloud. So we can go to advanced options down here. We can change in the color schemes. Let's go to default. And don't drop common words. I want them all in there. And then you have the option of downloading this so that you can display it in other ways. I'll show you with one more document that I've been working on. So we'll go to add-ons, word cloud generator. This time we'll go classic. Advanced options, and we're going to not drop the common words, and there we go. Well, actually we will drop them so that we can see what really stands out, not just the. And then you can download it, and it's pretty easy to do. I see this being handy when you're trying to represent different words or different documents in more of a visual form for your students. You could even do something like their responses and general words that stood out in their responses, things like that. And I could see this being very useful to really involve all types of students in a visual sense in your classroom. And that's Google Add-on Word Cloud.